So this is Talladega in a NASCAR. I've qualified on pole, but lap times don't really mean anything. I'm not expecting this to go well. My tactic is going to be just stick to this inside curb for the whole race and see what happens. I was told I've got 2 extra sets of tyres, so I'm not sure what's going on, whether I have to do a pit stop or not. I guess we'll see. I'm just going to nail it when the lights change. And like I say, just stick to this inside curb, and
Control, maintain the pace speed until the green.
if anyone wants to try and get by, they're more than welcome. Okay, let's just watch out for these lights and then we're off. It's very tense. Where's the lights? Come on.
Green flag.
Okay, that's it then. So there's only 4 gears, and like I say, my tactic is just to stay inside. And we should be doing like 51-second laps, something like that. So let's just see, 30 laps. I don't know if I've got enough fuel to get to the end. I've never done this race before. I'm assuming when there's incidents there will be full course yellows and stuff like that.
Car out.
It's not like the Draft Masters that I've been doing.
Go low.
And I'm just going to stay to the inside. That's all I'm going to do
Still there. Still there.
and see what happens.
Hold your line. Car outside. Too wide. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
And hope no one takes me out. I'm okay being bump drafted.
You're on the bottom. 3 wide.
I'm just riding. If you want to go up there, go down. I'm not
Okay,
complaining.
there's a lot of talking going on, isn't there?
Still there.
I can just keep to the inside, stop them coming down in front of me.
0.27.
Oh my god.
You're all around. You're on the
I
bottom.
mean,
3 wide. Car
fucking
outside.
idiot.
2 wide.
my god.
Flag is out. You've got wheel damage. Ricky in turn.
What the hell?
Line up. Single file. Pit road is closed. Left up.
Single file.
Carbide. You had the position when the yellow flag came out. Reduced aero might slow you down on the straight.
There's no fast repair. My god, what?
Congratulations for wrecking the entire front and everyone else.
Who was that caused that then?
The one past that.
So I'm supposed to let the 11 car by, but I'm not sure who the 11 car is. There's no point pitting, so I can't get repaired.
21, let's go. You guys trying to go 4 wide, Jesus Christ. Lap 2. You guys are all
Half
fucking
lap 3.
retarded.
Car.
Seriously, probably uninstall again.
Fast car 3, okay.
Half lap 17. Car.
Okay,
21.
so I've got to pass a few people.
Half lap 22. Car.
He's just cruising in the back of turn 1 with us at the moment.
Okay, well, struggling to pass car 22. I haven't got there yet.
In turn 2.
More wrecking, what's going on?
Really, 15? Really?
Whether I'll be able to get any decent speed, I don't know. I'm struggling just to get past under caution here.
Yep.
Well, he's getting processed with that one. Enjoy your vacation, dude. Yeah, fucking
Get down
for it.
4.
Just
Car.
flying up the track.
Alright,
Checking up in his firewall.
well, yeah, I'm going to get past pretty quickly, I think here.
They're telling you to pass a bunch of cars. Never mind.
Yeah, so I got a bit of aero. I think I'm in trouble.
Pit road is closed.
2 to green. It's only lap 4. Blimey.
About to go green. Stay focused.
Okay, well, let's see. Let's see what we got.
I'm gonna drop off on the backstretch. They're not done wrecking, I can guarantee it.
Post car is off. Time to do your job.
So we'll find out very quickly if I've got any speed, I think. So either I'll be able to keep up or everyone is just going to come piling by.
Green.
I'm in the wrong gear. So that's a rookie error, but anyway.
Side. 15.75. Still there.
We're still there. Will they all come piling by now then? Or do I have enough?
Outside.
Well, I've got something, haven't I?
Middle. 3 wide. Still there.
3 wide. I don't want to go 3 wide into there.
Clear.
That's just stupid.
Car outside.
So what have I got?
Still there. Hold
I'm actually keeping up, aren't I? So maybe all is not lost.
the line.
Yeah, I've got some speed. Okay. Right, well I can race them then. I can race them. But my tactic of staying low is not going to work, is it? Because
Fast flat for you. The leader is running.
I'm already behind, so...
2, 2, 2. The car in P5. Just set the fastest lap. 55.567.
Well, that's a pleasant surprise. We've got some speed. We're still in this race, so it's right not to go in the pits, I think. Somebody coming out of the pits, looks like it.
That car is a lap down.
Let's go to the outside line, shall we?
P20. Just set the fastest lap. 54.744. 51.866. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Let's see if the outside line is going any quicker.
Fastest lap. 50.826.
Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't.
Car inside. Still there.
Yeah, let's take this outside line then.
Keep high. Still inside. Wrecking in turn 4. You're up top 3 wide. Right side 2 wide. You're up top 3 wide. You're in the middle 3 wide. The yellow flag is out. You've got wheel damage. Looks like one of your wheels is out of alignment. You'll have left.
Okay.
Wrecking on the front stretch.
Okay.
Single file.
Well,
It's closed right now.
that didn't work.
Damage is probably slowing you a lot. Half thrust 14.
Oh,
Half thrust.
goodness.
Car, half
I
thrust.
think I'm going to have to fix it now.
Half thrust 16 car. Half thrust 16.
Okay, well, let's get past. Pit lane's closed though. I can't go in.
14 car.
Oh my goodness. Pit lane closed. Can't go in.
Pit road is now open.
Okay, pit lane is open.
Half thrust 19 car. Leather 3 carbide. You had the position when the yellow flag came out.
Okay, well, we're going to go in the pits, I think. See if we can get fixed. Okay, what number am I? I'm number 20. Can you see number 20?
Box in 10. 5. 3. 2. 1.
I can never never see this bloody pit box.
All the damage is repairable.
Okay. 14 minutes of repairs? I mean, what's the... I guess I'll just sit here for as long as I can, shall I? Well, I'm going to go.
Go, go, go!
And try, then...
1 tire depth remaining. Line up, single file. Pasta, 14. Car, pasta, 14. Car.
So then get behind the pack again and then maybe pit again? Is that how it works? Can I do that, I wonder?
1 lap to green. You're on the outside this time.
Okay, then.
19. Car. Hang on, we're not going green. Not going green.
Not going green, okay.
Green, not. Get ready, going green.
Okay, going green. So let's come down. See what we've got. Wheels are a bit out of alignment, but we might be okay.
Pace car is off. Time to do your job.
Or we might be really slow. We'll see. We were lucky last time. I've done some repairs. Still got 13 minutes of repairs to do, but hey ho. Let's see.
Green, green, green. The leader is running. 17.222. Car inside. 12.861.
Okay, so what have we got then?
Car inside.
What do we have? Have we got anything to fight with? I mean, we're still going okay.
Clear.
We're getting overtaken now, so we'll see when we get to the back of this group.
Stay high. Stay high to the car on the low side. Still there.
Quite a few people sort of just pulling down out the way, aren't there?
Top 3 wide. Inside. 2 wide. Clear inside.
Okay. What have I got then to fight with here? Don't know if I've got anything. I'm getting dropped here. I'm going quicker. Right, it's the people pulling down. I think we're just keeping out the way.
8, 4.
So I've got a little bit of speed. Not getting completely dropped here. Some cars behind. Whether we can form a little train, I don't know. So they're going by.
Car outside. Keep low. Clear high.
Don't really have the speed, do we? Too much damage, I think.
53.45.
We keep going. Getting a bit of a push. We don't have the speed, do we? Definitely don't have the speed.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 3.9.
Yeah.
Go low.
Don't know if I can keep with this guy or not.
54.97. Car 17 is now leading.
Yeah, we don't have the speed. We can't see any cars in front of us. I think that's something to do with iRacing, and I've set it so you don't see
The car behind.
cars so far ahead, but it looks like there's nobody there. So that's a bit odd. I might need to change that setting, I think. Just to give my graphics a bit of an easier time, but it's not really working for me.
I'm sorry, Corey, I just
Yellow
lost it.
flag. They want you in single file. Closed. Pit road is closed.
Yeah, the red's closed. That's okay. Right, so I'll go in as soon as pit lane opens. Get a bit more in the way of repairs. So a few people are doing the same, aren't they? So I'm down the end somewhere. Oh no, have I sped in the pits?
Pit box in.
Yeah.
10,
Drop to end. Okay, right. Well, it's not too bad.
Lucky dog, come
3,
now.
2, 1. Right here. All the damage is repairable.
Okay.
That's it, go! They're showing us the black flag. They caught us speeding on pit road. Go back to the tail of the longest line. Fall back. They want you in single file. Letter 4. Carbine. 1 to go. Next time by. Line up on the inside.
I'm gonna have to let people by, but that's okay. Drop to end, it says.
About to go green. Stay focused.
Okay. Well, the guy behind's got a lot of damage. I don't think he's going to be getting by me, is he? Don't know. Let's see. Let's see what we've got.
Race car is off. Be ready.
See if we can keep up with the pack. Pick as much slipstream as we can.
Green flag. Green flag. The leader just did a 17
Let's
points.
see what we can do.
3. 18.217.
The guy behind's doing well to keep up, isn't he?
Inside. Still there. Clear. Inside.
Okay, well, I need to follow these two, really.
Hold your line. Clear inside. The next car's the leader.
Okay,
The leader's pitting now.
let's see what we've got.
The car in front is pitting. 55 points.
Oh my goodness, another wreck.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is
what the fuck are you
3.6 seconds. Car outside. Go low. Caution.
Oh my goodness.
Wrecking on the front stretch. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed right now. Letter 8. Car by. Letter 8. Car by.
Okay. So, I don't want to speed this time.
Box in. 10. 5. 3. 2. 1. Right here. All the damage is repairable.
Okay, bit more repair then.
We're done. Get going.
Okay, let's get out then.
Let's hit the tyres. Make them last the rest of the race. Line up, single file. Catch the 5 car.
Okay, let's get round. Catch the 5 car, it says. Let's see what this one brings in. So this should be the dash to the end, I think. And we've got this guy here on the outside looking very racy. Let's see.
Green, green, green.
See if we can keep up.
27.152. The leader is
Change up early.
0.455.
Feels like we've got a little bit more of a car underneath us. I mean, he's got 10 minutes of damage still, so
Still
it's
there.
not exactly brand new.
Clear. Inside.
This guy's making it 3 wide.
Clear.
Okay, well, let's make sure we get in the tow.
Where you want me to go? Where you want me to go, 16?
We're dropping back a little bit here, aren't we? We've been a little bit closer. Yeah, we're still not quite there, are we?
56.99. You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 3.5 seconds.
Need just a little bit more. Dropping back. Okay, I don't think we're going to win. I don't think we're going to win. Oh, another wreck.
Caution, yellow flag.
Unbelievable.
Single file. Closed. Pit road.
I mean, we're not going to have time for another lap, are we? That's it now. Or are we going to do one more lap? What are they going to do? Oh yeah, 31 laps. Okay, so I can do another bit of, another little bit of repair. Right, let's go.
Okay, punch it. They want you in single file. Jetstar 24 car.
Let's get out there.
Green.
See if the car's any good.
Inside. Passer.
I was on pole for this race, wasn't I? That seems like a long time ago. A long time ago. Car's better though. Not catching anyone though. Yeah, I think the car's a little bit better. Got to pass this car.
Jetstar 2 car.
That's the 2 car, it said. Is this the 2 car? It is, yes. That's just about where we were, isn't it? So, 1 lap. 1 lap of mayhem.
Get ready, going green.
13th. Gosh, that's a good place to be, isn't it? And we've got the 12 car, which is a lap down. So, anyway, should have a
Car is off, be ready.
as good a car as I've had for a while anyway. So, let's see what we can do with it.
Green flag, green flag. That car is a lap down. Outside. You've got 2 laps to go. Clear. 27.873.
So, can we keep up with the field? Or are we going to get dropped again like we were before? Not sure. I mean, I've still got like 9 minutes of damage, haven't I? So it's not good.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Clear up top.
Feels like I've got a little bit more. It's not easy to keep with them, so and I think with wheel damage,
Stay low. There is a car on the high
it's
side.
going to hinder me in the turns.
Stay low. Clear up top.
But I'm staying there, aren't I? I'm actually with them still. I'm not going to be able to overtake anyone, I don't think. White flag, okay.
You're pulling away from the car behind.
So I am going quicker than I was.
Second, 56.077.
I don't have any speed here.
6.1.
No, they're getting away. They're getting away. I'm going quicker than I have done, but they're getting away still. That's it. I'm toast, I think. 14th is going to be my best. Yeah, pole to 14th.
No. Right.
And it took a long time to get there as well, and there's a wreck. Unbelievable.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1.2.
Okay, where did we come then? Not sure where we came.
All right, there's the checkered flag.
Okay, well, let's have a look at some of those. There was a lot of them, but let's have a look at some of those incidents and then have a look at the results, shall we?
Slide you up there.
So, seems like a long time ago, but here's me in pole, just getting going. Let's see some of these incidents then. Okay, so this is the first one then. So, it was all going well, wasn't it? And then what happened? Oh, 11. So that was the first one. I was struggling then to regain control. I was very lucky not to get hit or hit anyone. So not too much damage there. What happened next? We've got some cars. Okay, so that's the cars behind. Travelling backwards. Nice. Yeah, okay. Then what have we got? This is all the cars going off, isn't it then? Okay, this is the next big wreck then. Oh. Oh, yeah, I mean, the problem is you're all going so quick. I thought I was going to get through there, but I didn't, unfortunately, so that's me again. Unlucky on my part, I think. Yeah. Then what happened? Then we're going racing speed again. Who's going to hit who? 16 hits 5, who hits 3. So that's not good. Then what? Then we've got 5 is going to hit 7. Yeah, hits 7, hits 4. Oh, come on. That's just bad driving, isn't it? Yeah, it's a poor old 4. And then we've got 7 to... yeah, I mean, that's a bit of everyone again, isn't it? Yeah. 7 got a bit of a hit. Then what's happening? Then we're at racing speed again. And then 16. People just drive. I mean, if they're bump drafting or just driving into people, that's just stupid. That's just really bad driving, isn't it? I mean, that one's got no number though, so I don't know what number they are. But yeah, 16. Silly move. And he's gone off. Wow. Armour. Then you've got 4, 3. They're just turning people around, aren't they? It's just unnecessary. That must have been the end, wasn't it? And then I came through. Yeah, just unnecessary. Wow. A lot of broken cars, that. That was it. Okay, well, let's have a quick look at the results. All split out of 5, yeah, and doesn't surprise me. No safety rating. Got some high rating, would you believe? So I started first, and where did I finish? Finished 12th, so 1st to 12th. Yeah, not good. Just didn't have, after all that damage, just didn't have the speed. But I think I'm starting to understand the tactics. I think I could do better if I do it again. So I'm going to try this race again. I think I've got a better understanding. But yeah, yeah, some pretty poor driving, but a lot of fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.